of India is conscious about the sentiments and requirements for inclusion of other languages in the 8th schedule, and such requests have been considered keeping in mind these sentiments and other relevant considerations. We have obviously put in the request for both Garo and Khasi language. There was a small confusion at one point in time whether the Garo language was in the list of demands or not. The Honorable Member of Parliament had led a delegation to the Home Ministry, and they had clarified that it was actually missed out by the MHA, and necessary corrections will be made for the Garo language. So that assurance was given to the Honorable Member of Parliament and the delegation. Number two, sir, the fact that, as mentioned, that we have seen in the past and mentioned by the Honorable MLA himself, that even though 2 languages were sent by Assam earlier, which is Bodo language and Karbi language, the government of India at that point in time took up only Bodo language. So therefore, obviously the state government will propose the different demands that are there by the people, and at the end of the day, based on whatever, as I said, criteria, may not be the official criteria, maybe other criteria may be there. As I said, there are so many other political issues, there are so many other issues which I don't want to get into right now. Whatever the decision, Government of India decided at that point, even though 2 proposals were given, Government of India only approved Bodo language at that point in time. As mentioned, that it was the MDA 1 government that had taken the very, very strong step for the first time in the history of the state to pass a resolution on the 7th of December 2018. And this was right at the beginning of the term of the MDA 1. And that clearly reflects the kind of commitment that this government has towards working to get both Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule. After the 7th of December resolution that was passed, as I had mentioned, on 15th of May 2019, 28th of May 2019, 21st of August 2019, 23rd of October 2019, 16th of January 2020, 25th of July 2020, 30th of October 2023, and then 31st of October 2023. Continuously, we have been following up with Government of India, and obviously whenever we send these letters, we physically try to meet the Honorable Home Minister, and in every occasion, whenever he comes to Shillong or we get an opportunity to meet him, 8th schedule, inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in 8th schedule is always there in our discussions. So we are pursuing the matter. Yes, I understand the sentiments of the people of the state, and we are all with this demand. The entire House in 2018 had unanimously passed this resolution, and the passing of the resolution, as I said, is a clear indication of our strong commitment. But as I said, sir, that this is a matter that is at the Government of India's disposal, and the MHA will have to take the decisions. The answer is no, sir. This doesn't mean that Government of India is not considering. All Government of India is saying is that there is no specific criteria. That's what they're mentioning. So they're not saying no. So the concerns of the Honorable Member are our concerns also. Obviously, sir, we are all very, very hopeful that this will happen. We have, as I said, continuously followed up. This matter is a very complex matter. There are 38 languages that are under, that have been requested by different states, which are lying with MHA, and the process is continuously being followed up. There are, of course, a certain level to which the state government can show its seriousness, and the highest level that we have shown our seriousness is by passing a unanimous resolution, which was not done before. And hence, from the government side and from the legislation side, we are pushing forward, sir. And every time we move to them, we receive official communication, and the official communication is the one that I have read out, sir. So therefore, when these replies come in, we once again ask the Government of India, when this will happen, that we would like the 8th schedule inclusion of Khasi and Garo language. So it's a continuous process. We are pushing from our side. And as I said, every time the reply comes, the reply is in this format only. And for me to say anything beyond or outside the context of this letter would not be appropriate, especially in the House. Hence, I'm sticking with the reply that has come, and I have read it out twice already, and that is the current status. And as mentioned, sir, we are all very concerned. We are all pushing. As I said, we have every meeting we have in Delhi, we mention about this. Every time we meet Home Minister, this issue comes up, and we are continuously pursuing the matters.